How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a whistling video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the technique that we're gonna use two hands. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this, and we're just gonna practice. It's gonna be super chill. We're gonna whistle for 10 seconds, then we're gonna take a break for about 50 seconds, and then we'll do that for about 5 minutes. So to whistle with two hands, you just get your hands like this, tongue position like this, push against your tongue, tight lips, and then just blow. Just like that. Pretty simple. The main mistake that people make is their lip suction. You gotta have it tight. So when you're doing this, you want that to be tight. Can't be loose. That's where you kind of get the air, and the air blows out, and that's how you get that high pitched sound. So very important. Okay, you guys, I've been cutting weight. Pretty hungry today, actually. I have one meal left, so I'm trying to save that for as late as I can, because after that, no more food. So we will see. Let's do another 10 reps or 10 seconds. Kind of get a little bit lightheaded too. That's why I recommend only 10 seconds. Don't do more than that. You can pass out. So yeah, as long as you do it for 10 seconds, you'll be fine. You push it, you do it any longer, you can see yourself passing out maybe. So just watch out for that. So yeah, I got one more video after this, and then 3 exercise videos, and then 4 exercise videos, and then I got 2 easy ones after that. So should be pretty sweet. So let's do another 10 seconds. Just like that. Killing it, you guys. I'm killing it. Again, you want to be pushing against your tongue like this. You want to be pushing like that. And then your lips just go around your hands, and then you blow. As simple as that. Yeah, it's that simple. But yeah, I've been cutting weight, and wow, I'm at 178 in the morning. Goal is to hit 2,000 calories today, which should be able to do. And yeah, keep cutting weight. Let's do another 10 seconds. That was good. That was really good. One more set, and then we are done. But yeah, one more video, then I got a thigh fat video, arm fat video, 6-pack video, Kegel video, then we do jawline and forearms. Jawline and forearm, pretty easy, but it's those 4 that are gonna be a little bit tougher. But yeah, 13th video of the day. That's really good. Again, almost done. Okay, we will do another 10 seconds, and that's the end of the video. So. Okay, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.